Alright guys, back with another video here. This time, my April 2024 haul from Bada Boom. We'll start here. Mega Shark, Raccoon Fireworks, 9-shot, Noab. Smaller tubes, they're not your bigger ones. Performance anywhere? No. So you'd almost have to, oh, there it is. Peach and yellow, Dahlia, blue stars with gold strobe. Let's see, what else we got here? Slammin 16-shot by Miracle Fireworks. Beautiful 350-gram cake for less money. It's interesting. Do they actually, when they retail it, is it actually cheaper? That I'm not sure of. I picked these all up on the specials for this month, so. Natural Born Pyros by Pyro Demon. 500-gram cake, 22 shots. Performance. There we go. Should be a good one. This over here. Agent of Boom, Bright Star Fireworks, 37-shot. Master Chief on there from Halo. Or it sure looks like him. A little different, I guess. Performance Loud 500-gram cake, highlight with color tail to reports. Massive breaks of gold willow with color pearls and strobes. I think I actually watched a video on this. Actually looked pretty cool. That'd be a cool one to set off and see. Let's see. Here we got Jackpot by, Black Scorpion. 500-grammer, 12-shot. Let me see how big the tubes are. I don't really want to cut them all open to see. Performance, big shots of flower crowns with glitters hit the jackpot. That should be a good one too. And I picked up a little miscellaneous stuff here. T-Sky X-Bomb Crackers, 500-shot roll. Thousand Firecrackers, Pyro Demon, supercharged, max load, another roll. Mammon, Bomb Wow Firecrackers, 1000-shot. Not sure, I might even keep this, just for the packaging and stuff. I actually like that. I'm always a sucker for the firecrackers. What do we got here? Winda, Pulse Pounder, 50 shots of reports. Up to 200 grams. Yeah, I don't think it's 200 grams. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm gonna say it's not. Alright. Got some knickknacks threw in for my kids. They got some Sky Dancers here by Legend Fireworks. Almost just looks like a fountain almost hooked to a stick. Sparkler kind of thing. Got some poppets, adult poppets. They're a lot of fun. Nuclear Snaps by Raccoon. Super Snaps, Pyro Demon. These are just regular ones. I guess they hit a little harder than your normal snaps. These ones are adult ones. Diablo Bomber by Pyro Diablo. I tried one out. Yeah, pretty dang loud. Yeah, gotta poop through into the deal, obviously. Kids really like it. When to poop. I picked up 2 fountains just to have for the kids. World-class fireworks here, fantasy fountain. Nothing fancy. Kids really like them. Pyro Planet, Gold Fusion. I think I picked this up for $8 maybe. Can't really remember anymore. Performance, a beautiful fountain of gold strobe, snow pine, willow, blue stars, gold brocade, and yellow. 2 minutes, 200 grams. That should be a nice fountain. Kids will like it. Alright. Picked up some resurrection shells. I really wanted to try these things out by Pyro Demon. So it should be pretty cool. I was able to get a deal on these. Got them a little cheaper than what they want in stores, $75 for them, which isn't, you know, terrible. 24 badass shells. I love the artwork on this box. I'll do an unboxing and a demo of this then. But I love the dragon on there. That's really cool. Gets me. I keep all the boxes just because they're really cool. And I picked this guy up. This was the shell kit on sale this month. Pyro Diablo Neon Viper. It's just like the Raptor shells by Legend. It's just another. It's just their branding for it. Just slap Pyro Diablo on there and change it up a little bit, and same shells as far as I'm concerned. There shouldn't be any difference. And then down there's a growler, but I got that from another place. I'll do an unboxing of that coming up here soon. And then last here, well, not last, but picked up 4 of these 200 gram cakes by Pyro Diablo. They were on special too. 16 shotters. Pound for pound. Best in the field. Fast and furious. Go hard or go home. Those are all about $6 or so. Alright, and the last thing I did pick up, which I don't normally advocate, assortments. I try to tell people to stay away from them because they're kind of a waste of money in my opinion. It ends up being a lot of filler. But it was on sale this month, so I figured I'd give it a shot. We'll do its own unboxing of all the stuff in there. We'll go through it. But you got your, you know, down here, there's just festival balls. 200 gram little cakes in there. Fountain there. There is another, yeah, fountain there and then a fountain there. But everything else, as far as I can tell from looking at the performance-wise, should be little 200 gram cakes, so. So yeah, I'll get to unboxing that in a little bit here. But, yeah. End with a picture of that, because I think that's pretty dang cool. So, if anyone's ever shot these things off, let me know how they are. I haven't shot them off yet, so. Alright, this will end the video.